Right. Right. Today we are going to discuss about the rules of race. Rules of race. Today heading rules. Rules of a race. Race is nothing but a light race. So there are 4 rules are there now. First rule. Rule 1 of Wave 1. Rule 1 or Wave 1. If a light ray travels parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it will pass us through focus. That is the first one. So first draw the lens. What type of lens you know? Convex lens are called as converging lens. So this is the optic center. So now draw the line, means which is the principal axis. Now mark the equal maintenance distances. This side also you have to maintain equal distances. This is the first focal point. This is the second focal point. F1 to F1. 2F1 in the sense C1. First center of the curvature. Is it completed the relative terms? Completed a center of the curvature, focus, focal point, radius of the curvature, optic center. These are all the relative terms are completed. Basic terms to the lenses. Optic center O, center of the curvature C1, R is the radius of the curvature, F be the focal point. These are all the basic terms to lenses. Right. And I know the phone state of the problem. Right. C1 or 2F1, C2 or 2F2. If you are taking the left side F1, 2F1, F2, 2F2. Understand or not? Why are changes the places? Why? Are you taken the permission from teacher or not? Why are changing place? Is it theater or not? Go sit there. Go. Good board get. If light ray travels parallel to the principal axis, first draw the light ray. So this is the incident ray which is moves or parallel to the principal axis, travels to the principal axis, parallel to the principal axis. We have to draw the line light ray at the center of the lens. Light ray travels parallel to the principal axis. After refraction it will pass us through focus. Then we will have to draw it through focus. Like this. And give arrow mark. While I draw the ray diagram means a rays, you have to mention, give the arrow mark twice. One for the incident ray and for second refracted ray. Incident, refracted. This is the first rule. Light ray passes parallel to the principal axis after refraction pass through focus. That is the first rule. Note it. Note it fast. Completed, huh? No. Yeah, okay. Right. The second rule or second ray, if your light ray travels or passing through focus, travels or passing, moves, travels, those are similar words. Light ray passes through focus, after refraction, passes parallel to the principal axis. First one is if the light ray passes parallel to the principal axis, after refraction pass through focus. Now second one, if the light ray passes through focus, after refraction parallel to the principal axis. That is the second rule. Are clear? Now rule 3 is if your light ray passes through optic center, if the light ray passes through optic center, no deviation or undeviation. Okay, that is the third rule. Right, rule 4. If your light ray passes along the principal axis after refraction, mention or not mention, no problem, undeviates. Undeviate in the sense not deviates. Not deviates in the sense goes in a straight, no bending, no refracting, goes in a straight. See here, this is the arrow mark. Light ray passes along the principal axis, no deviation. That is the fourth rule. Are clear?